Hello everyone, welcome back to Elizabeth Collections YouTube channel, and I am excited to share with you this bag, which is the Fendi Peekaboo ISeeU Petite bag that was sent to me by Babala Bags. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So here is the box, and on the other side of course is my details, but we don't want to show that. I cut it off camera, but I have not fully opened it, and we're going to do that real time. So here I see another yellow box inside, and then here, if you recognize it, then you know it is a Fendi box. So let's open. So it opens from the top. So it was supposed to be like, then it goes like this. So you can carry the box with these black handles, like so. How cute is that detail? So it was supposed to be this way. Cool. All right. Okay, so here is the item. So excited. So we have this paper wrapping, and it has a dust bag. Nice small dust bag. And oh my gosh, I'm too excited for this. And another wrapping right here. So it's fully protected. And here she is. Oh my God, it is so stunning. Oh my goodness. That is such a beauty. This is the Fendi Peekaboo ISeeU Petite silver leather bag with crystals double F motif. And it's in a beautiful silver color, and it just sparkles and shines, and it's such a pretty bag. Let's continue the unwrapping as I tell you more about this iconic Peekaboo ISeeU bag. And it is such an ideal compact size. It is, as you see, a petite size, and it's made of suede and entirely covered with small crystals and multi-faceted studs that depict the FF motif. It's decorated with the iconic twist lock, which we will see here once I have removed all of the stuffing from the bag. So as you see, there is a stuffing right here on the first compartment on the front, and then, or this is actually the front rather. This is the main one. And now we can see this beautiful front part. Let me just remove this plastic that covers this one, protecting the hardware here at the front. Another plastic that is protecting the hardware here inside the bag. And now that that is removed, then we can now see this beautiful turn lock closure, and the Fendi is just right there on the lower right part. So when we turn it like this, then the bag is locked this way, but then there is also another lock on the other side of the bag. So we also need to do the exact same thing. Remove the plastic that is protecting the back hardware, and then the one in the inside, and then we push it, turn the lock, and then that is how it looks when it is closed. Let me just remove this also, the one that protects the straps, so we can also appreciate the straps for this beautiful bag. So there's different ways of carrying this one. As you see, there is a top handle, and here we are unwrapping the beautiful silver long strap. So it could be a satchel bag. You can wear it crossbody or shoulder bag or one arm bag. There you go. And we also can see the hardware right here. There's Fendi right there, and there is this round lobster clasp that when you open, then we can then connect this one to the side of the bag, which is right here to put the handle. Just like so. This bag is truly gorgeous. I love that it is decorated with a twist lock on both sides. And then inside, we can see that there is this soft silver laminated leather lining with two compartments separated by a stiff partition right here in the middle, and an inner pocket and palladium finished metalware. So we have these two inner pockets right here, the slit pockets. The first pocket has this one and a silica gel in here, and here you can put your cards, credit cards, ATM cards, or debit cards. Beautiful hardware, as you see in here, and it can be carried by hand and worn crossbody thanks to this beautiful long metallic silver detachable shoulder strap, and it is also leather. Let's talk about the measurements of the bag. Starting with the height, that will be 15.5 centimeters. And then the length will be about 20 centimeters. And then the width is about 11 centimeters. And then the weight will be about 0.52 kilograms. The shoulder strap is 103 centimeters minimum, and the maximum length is 119 centimeters. Now let's see more of the bag. When Babala Bags reached out to me a few weeks ago, I got truly excited because Anne, who is part of their PR team, was truly nice, and she was very easy to talk to and extremely polite as well. And they asked me to choose a bag on their website, and their website is easy to navigate. You can go ahead and check it out. It's babalabags.co, and you can easily see the bags according to their brands, and then the drop downs, and then the specific categories per brands. They also have two types of bags. We can see a high, which are their higher quality bags, and there's a medium also, which is the medium range or medium quality of the bags that they offer on their website. The shipping is also extremely fast. Normally, when I get an item shipped to me here in Sweden, I had to pick it up from a post office, but this one was shipped directly to the address that I have provided to them, and that is really convenient for me. I also did check out videos of fellow influencers here on YouTube about their Babala bags, their unboxing, their experience, and I am happy to see what they have chosen on their bag haul. So here I am also sharing with you the unboxing, and then now let's proceed to what fits inside this bag. Let's talk about what fits inside this beautiful Fendi Peekaboo Petite bag. And I have some essentials here. So for this small bag and then for this color and this design, I thought that it is a perfect bag to bring with you on weddings, on special events and occasions such as like an evening event. And I only have just a few things here with me, mostly essentials, because the bag does not fit a lot of things anyway because of its size. First, let's fill up the first compartment right here, the front part, opening the turn lock closure. And I highly recommend that you make use of these snaps on the sides right here, wherein you can open this one and the other side, and in this way we will be able to expose the bag compartment and we can easily put our things inside. I can perhaps open the other turn lock closure like so, and then we can really easily put things inside it. Also notice that inside this bag we have the Fendi right there. Okay. And first I have a perfume, of course, because when we were on an event we wanted to continuously smell good. I just chose something that has a silver accent here, and I got the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, and I put that here in the corner. Then I have a powder for touch-ups. I have this Guerlain Meteorites Compact number 4 Doré Golden. It looks like this on the inside. Nice mirror also. And then I always have a pocket bag with me. My hand sanitizer, just a silver sparkly one, perfect match for the bag. Then I have a Dior Addict lipstick here. It's the Stellar Shine in 859 Dior Infinity. Looks like that. And lastly, since I'm wearing contacts, then I have a dropper here with my contacts solution. And then on the back side, that is where I wanted to put the phone. So it depends on what phone we have, but what I have right here is my Samsung Z Flip phone. And then I can put that here on this side. And then I always have a power bank. And of course, even though I have my cards, my debit cards and credit cards on my Samsung Pay, it would not hurt to have one credit card with me here, and I put that here on this slot. As you see, it has a lot of room in there, and that fits there perfectly. And now we can close it. So you could probably put a little bit more, but I do not want to put too much things in here because then it will be leaving a mark on the front. So let's close the snaps on the side, and then that's when we put the two together and then lock that turn closure right there. And there you go. That fits all the essentials that I could bring with me on some special events. I think that if you have a bigger phone, such as like the larger iPhones, it would still fit in there, not a problem. And yeah, that's the beauty of this Fendi bag, even though it's the petite size, it fits more than you think. There you have it, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on the bag reveal of this beautiful Fendi Peekaboo ISeeU Petite bag. I always wanted to have one, and it's just such a stunning piece. And for me, it's like a work of art with all of these crystals and just a combination of this beautiful leather and just different materials here. So pretty. I can imagine that this will be a perfect bag to use for so many different occasions, such as like going to weddings, special events, special occasions, even just meeting up with friends, or of course partying at night, because that will be having like this beautiful effect on the bag when the light strikes on it. Just so stunning. I believe that you can also wear this dress up or dress down, and you will see more of that on the part 2 of my Babala Bags review for this particular bag, the Fendi Peekaboo ISeeU. I'm going to share with you another video wherein I will be wearing different outfits and show you how to wear this bag. And also, for me to be able to properly review a bag, I should be able to use it first, and then that will be an honest review instead. This video is mostly the unboxing, first impressions, and what fits inside the bag. And if you are interested, please go ahead and check out Babalabags.co. I will put the link on the description bar, and if that link is not working, I will keep on trying to update the link. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and search for Babala Bags, and the new link will for sure come out. And if you have any questions, let me know on the comments section down below. Please also do check out all my other fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on my YouTube channel. I love bags and makeups, and that's most of the videos that you can see here on my channel. And you can keep in touch on other social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. You can find me at Elizabeth_collections. Please subscribe, and you will get more updates if you click the notification bell. See you on my next video.